Making sense of compound complex declarative sentences. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to another adventure in the vast universe of English grammar. Today we're venturing into the realm of compound complex declarative sentences. Sounds intimidating, doesn't it? But fear not. We're going to demystify these grammatical constructions, giving you examples and clarifications that will make everything as clear as a summer's day. First, let's refresh our memory about what declarative sentences are. In English, declarative sentences are simply sentences that make a statement or express an opinion. They're used to declare or state something. For example, I love ice cream. Paris is the capital of France. Most importantly, declarative sentences always end with a period. Now, we've got that covered. Let's move on to the big fish, compound complex sentences. As the name implies, these sentences are a combination of compound and complex sentences. So, what are compound complex sentences? They are sentences that have at least two independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. Let's break that down. An independent clause is a group of words that contains a subject and verb and expresses a complete thought. For example, I love ice cream. A dependent clause is a group of words that also contains a subject and verb but does not express a complete thought. For example, because it's so hot outside. Alright, let's put it all together now. Here are some examples of compound complex declarative sentences. 1. I wanted to play outside, but it started to rain, so I decided to read a book instead. 2. Independent clauses. I wanted to play outside, it started to rain. I decided to read a book instead. 3. Dependent clause. None in this example. 4. Because my mom was tired, we ordered pizza for dinner, and it was delicious. 5. Independent clauses. We ordered pizza for dinner, it was delicious. 6. Dependent clause. Because my mom was tired. 7. When the movie was over, I went to bed, but my sister stayed up to read. 8. Independent clauses. I went to bed, my sister stayed up to read. 9. Dependent clause. When the movie was over. In each of these sentences, you can see the interplay of independent and dependent clauses, which make these sentences both compound and complex. That's it. By now, you should have a better understanding of compound complex declarative sentences. Remember, they contain at least two independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. Keep practicing, and soon identifying and using these sentences will become second nature. Happy language learning, and until next time.